Long-distance moving from Boston can feel overwhelming. Interstate regulations, pricing variables, packing logistics, and strict timelines all play a role. In this guide, we break down exactly how long-distance moving works, how to get accurate moving quotes, and how Better Life Moving supports your interstate relocation from start to finish. The first step in any interstate move from Boston is getting a detailed quote. Long-distance moving costs are typically based on distance, weight, inventory size, and any additional services like packing or storage. To get an accurate long-distance moving quote in Boston, provide details about your home size, large or specialty items, preferred dates, and schedule a virtual or in-home walkthrough whenever possible. Proper packing is critical for interstate moving. Professional long-distance movers use protective wrapping, padding, and efficient loading methods to reduce damage risk during transport. Decluttering before your move reduces both cost and effort. Wrap fragile items carefully, label boxes clearly, and use sturdy packing materials. Keep in mind that certain items cannot travel across state lines, including hazardous materials, flammable liquids, and some perishables. Always confirm restrictions in advance. Sometimes your new home isn't ready on arrival. That's where storage solutions come in. Short-term storage helps during transitions between homes. Long-term storage protects items you won't need immediately. Climate-controlled storage safeguards electronics, antiques, artwork, and sensitive furniture. Using one company for both moving and storage simplifies coordination and often reduces total costs. Choosing experienced long-distance movers in Boston makes a major difference. Better Life Moving provides licensed and insured interstate moving services, trained crews, transparent pricing, and flexible scheduling. From planning and packing to transportation and delivery, we manage every stage of your move. With the right preparation and a trusted partner, your long-distance move from Boston can be organized, predictable, and stress-free.